Hi babes, welcome back to today's video. In today's makeup tutorial, I am going to be sharing with you my most requested eyeshadow look. Recently, I posted a video and the eyeshadow I was wearing in that video, you guys were all about it. You love it. A lot of you guys requested for a tutorial on the eyeshadow look, and that is what I am here to do for you guys. It is so unfortunate that while I was filming that video, I didn't get to record the part I was in the eyeshadow. But you know the good thing, guys, I created that look myself, so I can always go back and recreate it. But this time around, I'm not going to go into color for color when it comes to that look. I'm going to create a different look, but I'll show you guys how I created that look. Are you guys ready? Keep on watching. So guys, I already created a foundation for the eyeshadow look right from when I was creating my base look. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the video on the screen so you guys can see how I laid this foundation in order to get the eyeshadow you guys loved so much. So the first step is we are going to be using an eyeshadow primer. So for this, I am using this eyeshadow primer from Charm Ageless Clown White Pro Matte. This is what I'm using. Use my fingertip to apply that right in this part of my lid, just here. I'm not going to get to this side. Placing the lid color, I'm going to quickly apply a light shade of either eyeshadow or a powder, depending on what works for you. For me, I'm going to be using my skin color powder or something a little bit darker than my skin. I'll tap off excess and I'll place it right in this part of my crease. The excess of this is to help blend out that eyeshadow once I place it. Can you see there? And if you want, you can basically place a different color of eyeshadow. Totally depends on what you are trying to achieve. So I'm just going to take it up to my brow head, and I'm using a very pointy, light, fluffy brush. See, very pointy, and it is very light, and this is from Real Techniques. So just here, just this part, so that when we put the eyeshadow, it will have something to blend out. The next step is to go ahead and apply the eyeshadow, but before that, I'll quickly blend out any creases from this eyeshadow primer. So this is what I am using, and this palette is from Morphe eyeshadow palette 35B. So I'm running into this electric, or is it royal blue eyeshadow. Tap that here. Hold on guys, let me apply a loose powder here. So once you are done placing, you will just go ahead and take that same brush we use in blending out, in placing the powder color in the crease. You basically go ahead and use that brush to blend out the eyeshadow just right in the part where you stop, which is the part where you apply the powder color. Can you see that? Just to diffuse the ash line, I'm doing the same thing here, just right in the crease. I'm not extending it to the brow area, just right in the crease. So you can always go back and re-add if you are losing out from the pigment of the eyeshadow, which is what I always do. I always go back to reapply. So guys, the next part is the outer V of the eyes. For the outer V of the eyes, I'm going to use a small brush, a really small brush that will basically fit in the part where I want to use it. And I'm going into a different eyeshadow palette. This is from Paula Beauty, and I'll be making use of this brown, this one, and the black. So the first color I'm going to be placing my brush in is the deepest color, which is the brown here. I'll place it right here. Can you see how that is intensified? I'll place it right there, and I'll basically use it to blend out the ash line of that blue, and just flick it upward like so. So after that, I'm going into a small brush. Can you see how small that brush is? I will dip that into the black, because we're not going to bring the black as high as we did with the brown. So I'm placing that here Then I'll pick that brush to blend out. Like so. To further give this the dramatic look, I am using half lashes, and these eyelashes I basically just separated one full strip lashes into half, and I placed it at the outer part of my eye. So that's what further gave it that really nice elongated look. So I'm quickly going to fix this. So guys, see. So guys, then I went ahead to use the same color of eyeshadow that I applied on my lid. I used that in my waterline. So I will mix these two shades here just to have a lighter version of this color, because I feel like this is too deep. For the inner part, I basically used a black gel liner and a tiny brush to carve out this part. And I extended it to my lid, just right where my natural lashes is, not on top. Okay guys, it's time for mascara. I'm using this mascara from Kiss Beauty, and this is their Mega Impact mascara. Basically it does what it says, I mean what is written on the package, but you just have to be very careful because the way it runs, you have to allow one dry before you go into another. See, look at how lengthy my lashes is here. So guys, and that is all about the eyes. This is the finished look. I am going to go ahead, finish up with my makeup, and I'm going to be right back. So guys, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed few minutes. Thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know what you guys like about this look down in the comment section. Bye guys.